Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Brandon with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking. Welcome back into the channel. Today we're going to do just some quick and easy grilled chicken sandwiches. But I did have a company reach out to me via Instagram, and a small company. They make their own rubs. They asked if I'd be willing to try it out. If I wanted to, I was like, absolutely. So they sent me a couple of them. The name of the company is called Sumadat Rub, and they sent the Sumadat Rub Hot and then the original. So we're going to go ahead and I just have some chicken breast strips. We're going to season them up, a few of them up with the hot, a few of them up with the original. We're going to see how the chicken breast, how it turns out. So quick, easy dinner tonight. Like I said, grilled chicken sandwiches shouldn't take long, but we are going to try these seasonings, and I'll let you know what they taste like. So you all stick around and we'll get right into it. All right, guys, we're going to get on it and get this chicken prepared. I've got my chicken strips split into two different bowls, so we're going to use one rub on in one bowl and one in the other. So we've got the Sumadat original right here, and I already tasted out the bottle. It reminds you of a very sweet jerk seasoning. You know, the sugar is definitely prevalent in the seasoning. You can definitely taste the allspice. You can taste some of the other little herbs in it, so it has a really nice flavor. But I would definitely say it's more reminiscent of a jerk seasoning as far as the flavor is concerned. Now the spicier one, the notes and everything are very, very, very similar to the original, but it most definitely has a kick to it because it is laced with Carolina Reaper peppers. So if you know anything about those, then you know those carry a serious punch to them. But it definitely has a nice flavor. It has the dried basil and thyme in it, oregano, ginger, and a lot of different little flavors that you may find in a jerk seasoning. So tastes really good out the bottom. I can't wait to see what it tastes like on this chicken. So I put olive oil on each bone. We're just going to put a nice little layer of seasoning on this chicken. That's the only thing I'm going to season this chicken with. That way we can get a true essence of what this seasoning tastes like. So don't want to have anything masking it. I just want to allow this seasoning to really let us know what it really tastes like. So I'm gonna go with that, and then I'm gonna go turn around and do the exact same thing with the hot. So I'm gonna get it seasoned up, and then when we get ready to grill it, I'll bring you guys back in. So stay tuned. All right, we're using our indoor grill today. Got it heated up to 390. That's like the sweet spot for me when I use this little thing. Put a little olive oil spray down. I'm just gonna put the chicken down. On the left hand side is the original, and then we're going to put the hot on the right hand side, where we can just kind of keep track of it and see how it tastes. Doesn't take very long for chicken breasts, especially this thin, or chicken strips when you're grilling them up. So just make sure that when you are cooking them, that you keep an eye on them, because you don't really want to overcook them. Take them to the 165 and pull them on off. That way they'll still be juicy. All right, guys, so we've been going. We went about 5 minutes on the first side, flipped them over, and we're about 3 to 4 minutes in right now. So I'm just about ready to pull them off. They're all temping at about 164 degrees. Get them to 165, and we're going to pull and make these sandwiches. All right, so what I have here is the hot, and this one is the original, or the mild. I just want to taste the chicken right out of the, right off the grill, and see how it tastes. See what the flavor's like. Turned out nice and juicy, cooked to perfection. I will make sure that I leave the information for the seasonings in the description box below if you are interested in giving it a try. Okay, and that tastes really good. Now the flavor was kind of mild to me. You could definitely taste the allspice, and you can taste the oregano and the basil in that, but it is a little bit on the mild side. So that could have been because I didn't season it heavy enough. And here's the spicy. Again, looks good. That's really good as well. Now you can definitely taste the heat in that one. That Carolina Reaper comes through very well. So the seasonings, I like them. I like them a lot, actually. It would be one of those things where I would definitely have to either season way heavier, or use this as like a base seasoning along with something else, with some extra salt and pepper and things of that nature. But the seasoning alone does taste really, really good. And like I said, it puts you in the mind of a really, really nice jerk seasoning. So I do recommend it. And again, I will have the information for this seasoning or her Instagram in the description box below. Now I'm just going to make a couple quick sandwiches. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, I am basic when it comes to certain foods and how I like them. I don't like a whole lot of stuff and a lot of fuss with my sandwiches. So I like leaf lettuce, nice tomato, red onion, and the meat. If I put a sauce on it, basically most of the time it's going to be sriracha or mustard. I am not a fan of mayonnaise or anything of that nature. So on this sandwich, I'm just going to do the veggies, the bread, and the meat. Lay down that original right here. Chicken is very juicy, very juicy. So this is going to be a great sandwich. And when it's hot outside, you know, you don't always want those big heavy meals. And it's the past few days, it's been like 95, 96 with high humidity. So grilled chicken sandwich with some nice cold veggies, it's gonna turn out right. This one here is a spicy. Again, a big old nice fat tomato on there. And a good amount of red onion for a little bit of a bite. Now, banana peppers would have been a perfect choice for this as well, but I was out of banana peppers, so no banana peppers this time. But generally, I probably would put a nice helping of banana peppers on here. All right, go ahead and crack it open. Do you guys love grilled chicken sandwiches? Do you do it at home? Do you find yourself going to restaurants? Make it at home. Just look at that. Juicy. That's better than anything you're going to get at the restaurant or any fast food joint. Guaranteed. So good, guys. So good. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Share the video out. Leave some comments, leave some thumbs up, leave some thumbs down. Doesn't matter to me. Just let me know you were here. I appreciate you guys watching. Check out that seasoning if you're interested. Until the next time, guys, God bless you.